Okay, well, I tried to find inspiration for tiny house interior design from an AI platform and I found reference result like this. This is the result of a design that I implemented and developed from an inspiration I got from one of AI platform. I tried to utilize and maximize the ground floor as a services area, kitchen, multifunctional table, and the interesting thing here is the small wardrobe space in the corner of the room. Regarding the arrangement of cabinets, tables, and wardrobes, I try to maximize the corners of the room so that there is a very little dead space. And I also place the loft bed above the wardrobe so that the spatial function is more effective vertically. In fact, apart from being able to accommodate a queen-size bed, this loft bed area is also able to accommodate small nightstands on the right and left side of the bed, but I try to maximize the space in this loft. It only has a bed to make it look clean. Apart from the arrangement of wardrobes and cabinets, the bathroom and toilet areas in this tiny house are no less stunning and elegant with the luxurious, clean and comfortable feel. Overall, the spatial arrangement of this tiny house is quite effective and functional, but also seems comfortable with its vertical and horizontal arrangement. Even though maybe not many people are interested in using a tiny house for the long term, these creative tips and tricks can help you maximize limited space. And thank you for watching until the end and see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel.